Hello everyone, welcome to MindMajix, your skill partner. From the world of computer programming languages, there are around 700 coding languages, and it definitely is challenging for any programmer to make the right choice for mastering. Unlike every other year, 2020 was quite challenging and gave us an excellent opportunity to review our programming skills and, of course, set new goals for 2021. On your behalf, we have researched and prepared a list of top 10 programming languages and job roles that you could acquire. But before we begin, please do like and subscribe to MindMajix YouTube channel. At number 1 position, Python. First appeared in 1991, its latest release 3.9 version, it tops the list for this year too. It is a general-purpose high-level programming language used to develop desktop GUI applications, websites, and web applications. Its flexible features like beginner-friendly code, inbuilt libraries, and Python frameworks made this language the most popular one to use, and what more, when it has become the most taught programming language in universities. In fact, future technologies like AI, big data, data science, and cloud computing use Python. A senior Python programmer earns an average salary of about 100,000 USD per annum. A Python programmer is eligible to apply for job roles like Python developer, data scientist, software engineer, or a data analyst. And companies like Google, Spotify, Facebook, Instagram, Paytm, and many other popular service providers rely on Python. At second position, we have Java with its latest release on version Java SE 15. With a staggering 7.1 million Java programmers worldwide, Java stands second in our list of top 10 programming languages. Strong memory management, high performance, and first-class security are the key areas of Java usage. A cross-platform capability of Java acts as a strong foundation for many successful Java frameworks. In fact, Oracle says there are 3 billion devices around the world that use Java. Big data processing, Android development, and back-end development are some of the key areas where we can use Java. A Java programmer earns an average salary of about 100,000 USD per annum, and a programmer could apply for job roles like Java architect, Java developer, web developer, or a database admin. Uber, Airbnb, Google, Pinterest, Netflix are the top recruiters for Java programmers. On the third position, it's R language. Although first appeared in 1993, latest version 4.0.3, R language is popular while working with statistical computing, analysis, and data science. It is popular because of its features like user-friendly, open source, and supports various browsers. Because of its high compatible and platform independence, it offers quality plotting and graphing and inbuilt packages to perform statistical analysis for critical industries. Many interactive web applications also use R language. Data scientist, data analyst, data architect, visualization analyst experts, geostatisticians are the famous job roles for an R programmer. An R programmer at a beginner level can earn an average salary of about 70,000 USD per annum. Facebook, Twitter, Google, Uber, IBM are few top firms that use R and are the critical recruiters for R programmers. At fourth position, it's JavaScript. It's feature-rich, object-based, and lightweight scripting language. Since its first appearance in 1995, it still has more than 10 million programmers using JavaScript worldwide. It is widespread in developing web, cloud, and IoT applications. JavaScript runs on almost every modern browser. ECMAScript is the official name of the language. Using JS, we have new frameworks like React.js and AngularJS, which help develop dynamic, super-fast websites. Not only that, gaming and smartwatch applications use JS for interactive user interfaces. Front-end developer, full-stack developer, JavaScript developer are the most common job roles of a JS programmer. The average salary of a mid-level JavaScript developer could be around 150,000 USD per annum. Companies like PayPal, Netflix, eBay, Groupon are few famous firms that use JS programmers. At fifth position, we have Golang. Also known as Go, this is to solve the concurrency issues in programming languages. Google has gone ahead in developing Golang, which is also popular for its fast and high performance. Its syntax is simple, clean, and comfortable to read and understand. Google has proven its versatility once again by bringing in Golang that boasts of high scalable programming contribution. Go is a good competitor for other top programming languages and is used for several domains from web development to machine learning. Revel and BGO are very well-known frameworks of Go. A Golang programmer could apply for roles like a Golang developer, full-stack developer, back-end developer, and a software engineer. The average salary of a Golang developer is around $130,000 USD per annum. Uber, Twitch, Dailymotion, Apple, Dropbox, SoundCloud, and of course Google are the few biggest companies that use Golang. At number 6 position, we have Kotlin. First appeared in 2011, the latest release is 1.4.10. Kotlin is a Google-endorsed cross-platform general-purpose programming language. Developers love using Kotlin to develop Android apps with minimal code using the Android Studio. It is famous for its interoperability among Java and other programming languages. Ktor, Vertex, and Spring are the most common frameworks of Kotlin. Android developer, mobile developer, Android platform architect, QA engineer are the typical job roles of a Kotlin programmer. The average annual pay for a Kotlin developer job in the US is around $130,000 USD per annum. Netflix, Pinterest, Uber, Foursquare, Trello, Capital One are the few top companies that use Kotlin. Next we have PHP. It is a general-purpose scripting language especially suited to web development. About 80% of the top social websites we know, like Facebook and WordPress, Tumblr and Wikipedia, are built from PHP. Frameworks based on PHP include Cake PHP, Laravel, Symfony, and Falcon. There is always a massive demand for PHP developers in giant companies like Oracle, HCL, and Motorola. PHP developer, backend developer, full-stack developer, and software engineer are few of the PHP programmer job roles. The average salary for an entry-level PHP developer is $85,000 USD per annum. And furthermore, it averages around $120,000 USD per annum for a mid-level developer worldwide. On the 8th position, we have Swift. It is an open-source, object-oriented, block-structured, general-purpose programming language by Apple. It is famous for its rugged, expressive, and enjoyable scripting language. It is similar to Objective-C language and is well known for its performance and safety trade-offs. Development of mobile and desktop apps scaling up to cloud services were made easy using Swift. Swift's most common applications are Apple's operating systems including Darwin, iOS, macOS, tvOS, and watchOS. The latest version being 5.3, Coca and CloudKit are essential frameworks of Swift. iOS developer, application developer, mobile application engineer, and developer associates are few of the job roles that a Swift programmer could apply for. Companies like Walmart, Amazon, and Apple use Swift language, offering an average salary of $125,000 USD per annum. On the 9th position, we have C#. It is an object-oriented programming language with extensive library set. Two of its primary uses are in designing web forms and window applications. Gaming programmers use C# for Xbox games, virtual reality games, and Unity 3D games. Two important frameworks based on C# are Microsoft's .NET and Xamarin. Potential job positions include C# developer, .NET developer, backend developer, and C# architect. MTB, Amazon, Facebook, Fiserv are few companies currently using C#, and an average salary offered to a senior C# developer is around $110,000 USD per annum. Cyan, TechGig, CGI, Cubic Corporation are currently hiring C# developers. And on the 10th position, we have C and C++. These two languages are excellent for any budding programmer. Although modern markets boost for more advanced languages, C and C++ are still popular and highly functional. These two languages take up to 20% of the programming industry. Some good examples of applications developed in C are eBay and Spotify. And on the other hand, we have Adobe and Oracle developed in C++. Companies hire skilled C and C++ developers as software engineers, application software engineers, C or C++ analysts, or even a backend developer. The top companies hiring are Wipro, IBM, HP, and PhonePe, with an average salary of over 120,000 USD per annum. Apart from these top 10 programming languages, there are other new languages as well, giving a healthy competition to grab a spot in the list of these top 10. Flutter, Dart, Ruby, SQL, Groovy, Perl, and Visual Basic are few of such successful programming paths. With this, we conclude our video, and please do comment about your favorite programming language. We appreciate your interest in knowing the latest trends in technology happenings around you. Keep supporting us with a like and a share, and do subscribe with us for further career upgrade information. Happy learning!